Well, this is what I got done today. This weekend, I got the other seat cleaned up, the other front seat for the passenger side, and the back seat. Got them out and cleaned them up, and kind of soaked them with Armor All, and then just wiped it off and just let it soak in so it softens them up. So clean the inside of the car out since all the clips are done. You got the clips up on the A-pillars on both sides now. Them had to be drill holes and use screws to hold them in place. Wipe the dash off. And then blew out the inside of the car and vacuumed it. Ready for get the windshield installed. I gotta make an appointment for that. Clean the side glass off. If you look back at some of the older videos, you can see how dirty the glass was. Got the back window out and cleaned that out. Cleaned all the old sealant off it. Cleaned it up pretty good. Has a couple nice scratches in it. But actually hooked up the wiper motor. I was messing with that, trying to test it. I don't know what's bad, but it only seems to work when you push the switch in, because it has like 2 clicks over to turn it on. I think that would be high all the way over to the right, and then low, then off. But when you, I think if you push it in, that's supposed to activate the windshield washers, and that's the only, seems to be the only setting that makes them work. When you turn it on and push it in, then the wipers work. You got the jug over here, which I think I actually had hooked up to the radiator, so might be a little antifreeze in there that I gotta rinse out and get some vacuum lines to run to the washer and the little nozzles that are right here. Like there's one there, and then there's the other one on the other side. And come out through the cowl right here. The other one's right there. Sure, they probably have to be bent a little bit to spray. If the, I know you can hear the pump activating when you push the button. But who knows if it actually works or not. But I didn't get to the rims like I said I was to clean them up, so I just got this stuff done and a few other things. But that's all I have for now. Thanks for watching.